Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have a free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a code reader for your car, and it is a dual code reader. It not only reads your codes, it actually will check your battery status too, and graph your battery status too. So it's a dual function. Pretty cool. Let's get right to it, shall we? Instructions. Carrying case. A bag. Nice. So you can put it back in the bag, you put it in your glove box, carry it with you. When you get those codes, like, you know, your vehicle starts throwing codes and you go, what in the world is that? And you can just pull this out of the bag and check it out. Okay, we're down here. We're underneath the driver's seat of the car. And it's always under here. If you look right here, it's usually in this area here. And this is where you take your code reader and you just plug it in. Just as simple as that. And it powers right up. Just like that. So the first thing we can do, let's go over here and check our battery and push OK. Please turn the ignition off. Current voltage 12.68 volts. And there you go. It has a monitor status. It's on, readiness supported. Ignition spark, and it tells you all the things that it can monitor. I do not have any codes thrown right now, and my dinger is going off because of my door is open right now, and that my ignition is on. So I'm gonna turn my ignition off. Just turn it off. But so you can see that lots of functions you can do on that. So go out and get your code reader today. It's unfortunate that I don't have any codes to read on my car right now, but it will read everything. Check your battery out. Perfect little maintenance tool that you can check out your car before you bring it in to the dealership. Go get one today.